It has a horn, but I don't have it hooked up yet. The horn's out of this transformer. I'm on the old transformer. This is the best they could do for the Illinois crowd. This is a E8 chocolate and orange color scheme, Illinois Central Green Diamond. It's the smoothest engine I have, and I haven't touched it other than change the electronics and the coupler. And I know the back coupler is way too long. I gotta fix that. It will scoot if I let it, but it worries me. It's crashed once. I don't want it to crash again. I got a noise back there I gotta check into. This is not final, this is just a rough cut, but this is the main line. Illinois Central. Boy, how many times did I see aunts, uncles, and cousins come in on that from Chicago? Thought it would back up. Oh, there it goes. It's just thinking about it. Not too shabby. Oh, there it goes. It's popped off. Okay. That's the show, Joe. Illinois Central Green Diamond. All beat up. And Illinois Central freight with grain. Only it's not. We don't taste anything. And New York Central passenger heavyweights from the 50s. Oh boy. Pullmans. Oh yeah. We don't mess around. Okay. And Margaret is kind of done with the city. She's got everything where she thinks it needs to be. Now it's on me to put in the lighting. Financial district, firehouse, post office, restaurants, theater, police, dancing, Times Square, music and plays, cathedral, Grand Central. That's going to be changed. That's Penn Central over there. Irish pub, grocery store, apartments, and there's a mansion in front of Times Square. There it is. Most of Santee, we found all of his stuff, and we're still dealing with the country, how we're going to do it. I think we're going to push this to the right and make this like a community here, like a town, and then a road out, and then that's John Street, right? And John Street goes out to, you know what? Oh boy, it's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. We're going to have a good time. I'm sure of it. Oh boy. Okay. Now, the wiring. Oh God. All right. Later, gang.